Hi, I'm Elise Parisi, psychotherapist, life and business coach. And I've created this workshop after speaking to many, many women who've expressed how much they're tired of focusing on others at the expense of themselves, whether that be at work or at home. They're tired and super busy, overwhelmed, and often taking their frustration out on other people, particularly those they love. So if you can relate, are you tired of putting your dreams on the back burner, feeling dissatisfied and often unhappy and secretly so, sometimes not so secretly? I've created the workshop so you can get creative. And if you think your creativity's gone, I'm telling you, it's right here. I'm going to help you find it through the workshop. 3 keys to awaken your creativity and enrich your life. You can click on the button below. Would love to have you register. And it's time for you to do stuff that's important to you and to contribute in the way you really want to do so.